Priceline VIP Rewards Card Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? Priceline VIP Rewards Card Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? If you love booking hotels, flights, and rental cars online, the idea of a rewards credit card that maximizes your travel savings is tempting. Enter the Priceline VIP Rewards Card, a card designed to give frequent travelers perks and rewards tailored to Priceline users. But before you rush to apply, there's a lot to consider. Is it truly worth it in 2025, or is it better to leave it and explore other travel cards? In this full review, we'll break down its features, rewards, fees, benefits, and potential drawbacks so you can make an informed decision. Let's dive in. Step 1. Card Overview and Eligibility. The Priceline VIP Rewards Card is a branded credit card that caters to users of the Priceline platform. It's primarily aimed at frequent travelers who book hotels, flights, or vacation packages through Priceline, offering a rewards system designed to maximize savings and perks. Eligibility typically requires being at least 18 years old, a U.S. Social Security number, a credit profile that meets the issuer's standards. Good to excellent credit is generally recommended. This card is not for occasional travelers or those looking for a general-purpose cashback card. It's optimized for users who consistently leverage Priceline for their travel needs. Key features include rewards on Priceline purchases: typically higher cashback or points earned on all Priceline bookings. General spending rewards: modest rewards on non-Priceline purchases. VIP access: exclusive deals and discounts on hotels, flights, and packages booked through Priceline. Sign-up bonus: a potential introductory offer of points or statement credit after meeting minimum spending. Step 2. Reward structure: the reward structure is the heart of any travel card. For the Priceline VIP Rewards Card in 2025, it works like this. 1. Enhanced rewards on Priceline: cardholders earn 5% back or 5 points per dollar spent on Priceline bookings. For frequent travelers, this can add up quickly. For example, if you spend $1,000 a year on hotels through Priceline, you'll earn $50 or 5,000 points. 2. General purchases: most other purchases earn 1%, 2% cash back or points per dollar, providing basic rewards for everyday spending. 3. Redemption: points can be redeemed for Priceline bookings, travel discounts, or statement credits. The value of points is typically optimized when used for travel rather than gift cards or merchandise. The card is straightforward. There is no rotating categories or confusing tiers, making it ideal for travelers who want simplicity and a clear path to rewards. Step 3. Sign-up bonus: many cards offer sign-up bonuses, and the Priceline VIP Rewards Card is no exception. Current offers in 2025 may include 10,000-20,000 points after spending $500, $1,000 within the first 3 months. Early access to exclusive hotel deals for new cardholders. For travelers planning trips soon after opening the card, this bonus can provide immediate value, potentially offsetting part of your first booking or trip expenses. Step 4. Fees and interest rates: understanding fees is critical before applying. Annual fee: some versions of the card have no annual fee, while VIP tiers may include a fee for additional perks. In 2025, confirm which version you're applying for. APR: standard variable APR ranges from 19%-25%, depending on creditworthiness. It's vital to pay balances in full monthly to avoid interest charges, especially since travel cards can be used for large ticket bookings. Foreign transaction fees: most Priceline VIP Rewards cards do not charge foreign transaction fees, which is excellent for international travelers. While the card can save money through rewards and discounts, carrying a balance can quickly negate any benefits due to interest charges. Step 5. Travel perks: the real strength of the Priceline VIP Rewards Card is its travel perks, including VIP access to exclusive deals: cardholders can access Priceline's hidden deals and member-only discounts on hotels and packages. No blackout dates: when redeeming points for travel, there are typically no blackout dates, making planning trips more flexible. Travel protection: depending on the issuer, benefits may include trip cancellation/interruption insurance, lost luggage reimbursement, and rental car coverage. Concierge services: some card tiers offer concierge assistance for travel bookings, dining reservations, or event planning. These perks make it more than just a rewards card. It's a tool for enhancing your travel experience and maximizing savings. Step 6. Real-life example: let's look at a typical user scenario. Meet Sarah, a frequent traveler who books 2 domestic trips and 1 international trip through Priceline annually. 1. Sarah spends $1,500 on hotels, flights, and packages. With 5% back, she earns $75 in rewards points. 2. Her everyday spending totals $5,000, earning roughly $50-$100 in general rewards. 3. She uses points to book part of her international trip, saving $125 off the cost. 4. Additional VIP access discounts save her around $60 more on hotels. In this scenario, the card provided tangible savings of nearly $200 per year, not including added travel perks like insurance or concierge services. Step 7. Pros of the Priceline VIP Rewards Card: High rewards for Priceline bookings: maximizes value for frequent users of the platform. No foreign transaction fees: ideal for international travelers. Travel perks: insurance, VIP deals, and concierge support enhance the overall travel experience. Sign up bonus: immediate value for new cardholders planning upcoming trips. No annual fee for basic version: entry-level cardholders can enjoy rewards without paying extra. Step 8. Cons and limitations: limited value outside Priceline: rewards are best leveraged through the platform, making the card less ideal for general spending. High APR: carrying a balance can quickly erode rewards. Rewards cap: some cards may have limits on high reward categories or redemption options. Annual fee for VIP tiers: the premium version may charge a fee for extra perks, reducing net savings if not fully utilized. Step 9. Tips for maximizing the card: 1. Book through Priceline: use the card primarily for hotel, flight, and vacation package bookings to earn 5% rewards. 2. Redeem points strategically: maximize value by applying points toward travel bookings rather than gift cards. 3. Pay in full: avoid interest to ensure rewards translate to actual savings. 4. Combine deals: use exclusive cardholder discounts with promotional codes on Priceline to boost savings. 5. Monitor promotions: occasionally, the card may offer temporary bonus rewards on specific categories or travel bookings. Step 10. Who should consider